students, did you really enjoy the session? Yes, ma'am. So we can expect a very good result this year? Yes, ma'am. State ranks? Yes, ma'am. Number of centers? Yes, ma'am. Sure? Yes, ma'am. The assurance to our chief guest here, the day's guest was really, I think, a very dynamic and a pretty lady on the dance. Yeah? Okay, a round of applause to her. And to our team, wonderful teachers. I think we should have all committed out if we really miss them. But next year, I think the Alexander students always said we'll have a better opportunity to hear from these teachers and learn more from them. Ma'am, we are really going to make use of these masters and teachers over here. Thank you so much. And now it is our duty to honor them. Please come.
It's a time to honor our most charming chief guest of today, Dr. Usha Ishwar. And I call upon Varalakshmi of Pelsi and Balamurgan to present a mark of respect on behalf of our students.
for each and every subject. As I say, that you need to understand and learn, that is what we do there practically. We have a lot of hands-on experience sessions. We make engineering itself very interesting, and we have many entrepreneurs right from the college level itself. We have entrepreneurs right from first year. The students start doing their own business right from first year. That sort of understanding and support we give, and we will be very happy to welcome you all to our college if you would choose engineering. And we have a lot of facilities extended to students. When you travel, your transport will be free of cost. And if you would like to stay in the hostel, your accommodation will be free. And all the 4 years books will be free. And if you're good at sports, you have a special scholarship. Girls will have special scholarship. And you study well, you have scholarships. And we have a sports complex where we have international standard basketball, volleyball, cricket, everything, whatever you need. We have special importance to sports. So you can think about joining SMT Formula once you complete your +2 with all sorts of benefits as well as good teaching.